Hey guys, Happy Go Lucky here, ready for another maths question of the day. I hope you're keeping well and safe and sound as we approach Easter, still in this coronavirus lockdown. Make sure you keep doing your maths. Here's a question taken from paper 2, the extended version of the Cambridge iGCSE 2020 specimen paper. Question 13. Solve the inequality. N plus 7 is less than 5n minus 8. I think the main problem here is the terminology, understanding the difference between inequalities and equals. So have a look at the question, pause it, and then give it a go. And then we'll come back with the solutions in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay guys, we're back and ready for the solutions. Solve the inequality. So something plus 7 is less than 5 of that something, take away 8. So you could keep playing around with different numbers, try 1, try 2, try 5. But sometimes it's not even a whole number. So you can't just guess random numbers and hope to get lucky. You need to be a bit more precise than this. If we have an equation, something like, 3x plus 2 equals 5x take away 4, you've got to work out what x is, whether it's an equal sign or an inequality sign. So the best way to do this is, first of all, to get x on just one side. And the best way to get x on just one side is take the smallest x from one of the sides. So we'll do that first, and we get no x's over here, but we get 2 still. 5x take 3x is 2x minus 4. And then to finish it off, we want x on its own, right? So at the moment it's 2x minus 4, so we add 4 to both sides. Add 4 to both sides, or it won't balance. So 6 is the same as 2x. If 2x's are the same as 6, then we divide by 2 to get x equals 3. That's how you would solve a normal equation with unknowns on both sides. So the only difference with an inequality is that sign in the middle. We don't want to answer like x equals 3. It's going to be an answer like x is less than 4 or something like that. So let's have a look and let's try and work it out. Same method as before. The smallest version of the unknown, we haven't got x's this time, we've got n's. We'll take n away from both sides. So we take n from both sides, minus n, minus n. We've got no n's over here, we've just got 7. The sign stays the same. 7 is less than 4 n's now, because we took an n away, take away 8. All right, now the best way is to get letters on one side, numbers on the other. So we don't really want to be taking 7 from both sides because we'll end up with 0 on one side. And that's a little bit more complex. So let's keep the n on one side, the number on the other. So let's get rid of the 8. It's actually a minus 8, so we're going to add 8 to both sides. And that gives us 15 is less than 4n. So 4n's is more than 15. 15 is less than 4n's. Divide this by 4. Divide by 4 to find out what 1n is. Well, 15 divided by 4, half it to get 7.5. Half that again, and you get 3.75. So 3.75 is less than n, but most people would write it the other way around. N, therefore, is more than 3.75. But you wouldn't be punished for writing it the other way. Let's check that works. Give me a number bigger than 3.75, so let's try 4. If we plug 4 in, 4 plus 7 is 11. Take away 5 4s, take away 8. 5 4s is 20. 20 take away 8 is 12. Is 11 less than 12? Yes, it is. So we can be pretty sure it works. Let's try a number less than 3.75, like 3. 3 plus 7 is 10. 5 3s take away 8 is 15 take 8, which is 7. Is 10 less than 7? No, it isn't. So we've tried both sides of this inequality, and we've proven that the number has to be more than 3.75. There's 2 marks available for this question then. The first mark comes from getting as far as this point, saying 4n is more than 15, or 15 is less than 4n. Basically getting halfway there, and then to finish the job, you get the full 2 marks. Hope you've enjoyed that one. That was Solving Inequalities. I've been Happy Go Lucky, and you've been trying your maths. Thank you very much. See you again soon. Bye.